Today we are going to show you the effectiveness of FCS Ure-Out cleaner versus a coffee stain in carpet. Ure-Out is a microbial-based cleaner that is designed to seek out organic-based waste matter as a food source. It consumes anything the human body excretes as waste. The same goes for animals and organic food residue. Once it finds the waste matter, it goes to work consuming it in or on any substrate. Coffee is spilled on this carpet and left for 24 hours to set and dry, a tough test for any cleaner. You can see how once the Ure-Out Microbial cleaner is applied to the surface, it goes to work right away eating the stain. After drying lightly, the cleaner is left to do its work for 24 hours. The microbes will continue to seek out organic matter to consume, so don't be surprised to see results long after the initial application. At this point, the stain is visibly less, and one more treatment is needed, as a stain of this size takes a lot of microbes to consume. You can again see the microbes going to work to eat what's left of the coffee. The next day, you can clearly see how the stain has been consumed. The part you won't see in this video is how the cleaner also removes the smell from the spill as well. This is especially useful for those types of stains from pets and other types of accidents that leave unwanted odors. Ure-Out is very effective for all types of organic-based residue on all surfaces, hard and soft. Completely chemical-free, which makes it pet and food safe for use in all environments. Try a bottle today and see how thorough it is versus traditional chemical-based cleaners.